Alright guys, this is New Ethan Tech here. Got unboxing for you of Gran Turismo Signature Edition. So open this up. Ooh, nicely padded. What? What's that? Shut the door. Hey. See? Got out the real driving simulator. I'm going to open this up right now. Oh, it's pretty heavy. This nice box here. This white, whatever that is.
Gran Turismo sign.
Nice light shape, as you can see. And here we have the game, which has codes in there for the limited edition cards. It's more the stealth cards there.
You need to show that.
And this magazine, which has like lots of stuff. And it comes with a keyring. And a memory stick. Don't know how many gig this is, but has some stuff on it. And a Mercedes SLS car in there, made exclusively for Gran Turismo. Another book, pictures in it, and finally a wallet, which is quite good quality. Has a secret code in there to enter the competition. That's it.
Bye.